when George Floyd was murdered, and we all saw the aftermath of that, including many organizations, including Community Care Cooperative, the board of Community Care Cooperative declaring that racism is a public health crisis, we formed a diversity, equity, and racial justice committee and have a chairperson, and they developed a plan. And part of that plan was examining our data, identifying where our data was strong, where our data could be stronger, and then working to embark on both improving the strength of our data and not letting the perfect be the enemy of the good,